Today we will start the chapter 6b. In this chapter we will discuss the solve the questions using the method of elimination by equating the coefficient. Just as the question number 1 is there. 13 plus 2y is equal to 9x. So this can do right, 9x minus 2y is equal to 13, equation 1. And 3y is equal to 7x. Or 7x minus 3y is equal to 0, equation number 2. Now we have to equating the coefficients of anyone of x coefficient or y's coefficient. If you have to equating the coefficient of x, then multiply by 7 to the equation 1 and equation 2 to 9. 63x minus 14y 91. This is equation number 3. Now 63x minus 27y is equal to 0. Equation number 4. Then 3 minus 4. Sign will change, minus plus minus. Cancel. 27 minus 14, 13y is equal to 91. Y is equal to 7, 1 answer is there. Now put y is equal to 7 in equation 1 or 2, anyone. So then 9x minus 2 into 7 is equal to 13. 9x is equal to 13 plus 14 is equal to 27 on 9. 3. X is equal to 3 is your answer. Question number 6 is there. For solving each pair of equation in this exercise, use the method of elimination by equating the coefficient of x minus y over 6 is equal to 2 into 4 minus x. X minus y is equal to 6 to the 12, 12 4 ja 48 minus 12x. Then took 12x to this side, it becomes 13x minus y is equal to 48. Equation number 1. Then 2x plus y is equal to 3 into x minus 4. 2x plus y is equal to 3x minus 12. Then took this 3 minus 2 x, y will go to this minus 12 will come to this side, become positive 2. Now here you notice that the coefficient of y's are same, so no need to multiply them, simply both having the same sign. So 1 minus 2. When you do the 1 minus 2, 13 minus 1, 11x minus y plus y it become plus y. Cancelled. Then 48 minus 12 is 8 to 6, 4, 1, 3. X will be equal to 13 minus 1 is 12x is equal to 36. X is equal to 3. 1 answer is there. Now put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Then 13 into 3 minus y is equal to 48. 13 3, 39 minus y is equal to 48 minus 39. 39 y is equal to minus 9 is your answer. Exercise 6c. In this chapter, we have to choose the cross multiplications. Cross multiplications mean just as equation is there, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Then a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then we choose the formula x over, first of all, a1, we will start from here, b1, c1, a1 and b1. Then similar for the two, b2, c2, a2 and b2. Cross multiplication to this one. X over b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 is equal to y over, again same way, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 minus 1 over this to this and this to a1 b2 minus a2 b2. Then firstly we will equating the x and this minus constant, then by to this, then you can find the value of the x and y. Similarly, the question is there 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to, this is question 1. Then 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 6, question 2. Now use this method. 3, 17, 4 and 3. Minus 4, minus 6, 3 and minus 4. Now x over 3 into 6 minus 18 minus 4 into 17 minus 68 minus plus by over 17 into 3 51 minus 6 minus 4 minus 24. Then minus 1 over 4 into 4 minus 16 3 into 3 minus 9. X over 50 by over 51 plus 24 75 is equal to minus 1 over minus 25 minus plus. Now x over 50 is equal to 1 over 25, then x is equal to 2. Similarly, y over 75 is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 are your answers. Now question is same way, under root 2x minus under root 3y is equal to 0. Under root 5x plus under root 2y is equal to 0. Then same way, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, minus under root 3, 0, under root 2, minus under root 3. Under root 2, 0, under root 5, under root 2. Then x over to this one, 0 and 0, to this one now, 0 minus 0, then minus 1, under root 4 plus under root 15. X over 0, y over 0, minus 1 over 2 plus under root 15. It means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is the answer. So solve other questions of this chapter yourself. If there is any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.